this lesson, we use special patterns to square binomials. The expression on the screen is parentheses x plus 4 squared. Later in the video, we will expand it using one simple rule. When you see parentheses a plus b squared or parentheses a minus b squared, you do not have to multiply everything out the long way. The idea is, first, recognize the form, either parentheses a plus b squared or parentheses a minus b squared. Second, use the correct pattern instead of doing all the distribution. Third, simplify the expression at the end. Here's a first example. Parentheses x plus 3 squared. Using the pattern, this becomes x squared plus 6x plus 9. Second example. Parentheses 2x plus 5 squared. Here a is 2x and b is 5, so the square becomes 4x squared plus 20x plus 25. Third example. Parentheses 3x minus 2 squared. This gives 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. The first pattern is parentheses a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second pattern is parentheses a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. We use these over and over when we square binomials. Now let's expand parentheses x plus 4 squared. Here a is x and b is 4. Using the pattern we get x squared plus 2 times x times 4 plus 4 squared. That simplifies to x squared plus 8x plus 16. Let's take a look at the key ideas. Parentheses a plus b squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Parentheses a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Patterns let you work much faster than full distribution. You can always check by expanding back out. Now try this one. Parentheses 2x minus 3 squared. Expand it using a special product and post your answer in the comments. If this lesson helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning algebra.